Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the BMW M5 Competition, the legend of all. So this is a small video. I've done the review about the car, but this is a small video of the changes done from a regular 5 Series to the M5 Competition. So as you can see from the rear, the lights are the same. As you can see, you get quad functional exhausts, a diffuser kind of treatment, a subtle gloss black spoiler. The wheels, those are different. 285/35 R20s at the rear with disc brake, huge disc brakes, ventilated discs, M brake calipers, blue colored, purely rubber, carbon fiber roof. The shark fin antenna is also finished in carbon fiber. That's great. This different color tinge of the body color. So these different M ORVMs in gloss black. So those look great. These functional air dams, they can put air goes inside. And this is also for aerodynamics, so this has some theory behind it. M5 Competition interior rear. And from the front, yeah, the front tires get 275/35 R20s again, so it's bigger than the regular 5 Series. So from the front, as you can see, a M5 Competition badging and the piano black touch, larger air dams and a much more aggressive bumper. Good cuts and creases on the bonnet. So BMW laser lights as well. So these are the differences between the regular 5 Series and the M5 Competition at the exterior. As you can see at the front, you get this. This is a 520D, so, and there's a 530D. So okay, that's not a problem. So from the front, yeah, it gets not much aggressive grill, chrome finished over here. These get laser lights here. No, this is the LED one. The top end versions get laser lights. The wheels, yes, these wheels are small. These are 18 inches, Michelin tires, body colored ORVM, body colored regular roof, not the carbon fiber. Definitely you won't get it. So again, Michelin tires here. From the rear, not much like aggressive car as the M5 Competition. You have twin function exhaust and no diffuser, no spoiler, all of those stuff. And coming to the side, you don't get the badge, M5 Competition badge at the rear. Definitely you don't get, you get the 520D badge, so you don't get the air dams here, so that's fake. And here the exterior, the front is much more aggressive of the M5 Competition. So now let me show you the interior. So the rear seat, so the doors are same, doors are like good big, both of them, and you get quarter the blinds here. BMW scuff plate here, you get the M scuff plate there, and these are leather, not the sports seat. These are the regular leather seats, so these are comfortable, but those are sports seats. And you get these M colors on the interior, like on the seat belts, so not much of a difference there. And you get soft door close in the M5 Competition, not on this variant. If I go into the technical specs, yeah, lot of differences. I'm just showing you the regular specs. The technical specs, maybe I'll put it up on the screen, you can read it up. I'll just put in a few minutes or so, you can read it out. Luxury line written over here, in that it's written the M5 Competition. So this is the base variant of the 5 Series, and that's the top end variant of the 5 Series, the M5 Competition. The same 12.3 inch screens, which are standard, and you get adaptive dampers in both. So while safety is almost similar. The only thing is like it has those 4-wheel drive system, all of those stuff. This is 2-wheel drive, rear wheel drive, and the switches, in that it's black, and this is like aluminum or silver, whatever you want, you can say. You have wood trim here. Yeah, you have also, in this you have 12-way adjustable seats. In that you have 20-way adjustable. Yeah, but the 530D gets the 20-way adjustable, so overall it's good. The screen, and in between you get the M setup mode, M2 buttons on the steering wheel, the M written over here, and the M gearbox. So overall these changes. So let me show you the M5 Competition now. The key are almost the same, like not much of a difference of the key, and the fuel tank capacity is, I think for both it's 68 liters. You can see the M5 Competition scuff plate here, black switches here. Ambient lighting is there across, like standard across the range, and there's different treatments there, Harman Kardon sound speaker. So here, as you see, the M5 is glowing. Yep. And 20 adjustable seats, as I told earlier, light controls here. The M steering wheel with M2 and M1 buttons, M written over here. setup, M mode, red colored engine start stop button, and make sure the seat belts. The seat belts get the M colors here. And if you go into the rear seat, let me show you soft door close first. Yep, soft door close works good. And this is the rear seat. You get the sports seats, same 3 adjustable headrests. Legroom is good, and you get the M scuff plate here. So all the differences aren't much. Both of them are good, but 5 Series is much more comfortable, and this is much on the sportier side. So like, if you have enjoyed the video and you have got much information, so thank you so much. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.